Hi, this is Sarah. I'm going to show you how to replace a staff profile image. First, you can see here, I have the image that I've resized. It is 172 by 228, and it's named with first initial, last name, and year. So it's ready to upload to the staff page. Profile we're looking at is this one right here. So I'm going to look for this article. So at the control panel, I will go to Article Manager. You can search for its category. It's usually either staff or teachers. So for this page, since it has child categories, I had to bring its max level to 1 to view the names of all of the articles that are on this page. So for this one, I will look for Charla. And there's hers, so I'll click to open. And it looks like there's something here. So I like to delete it. So I'm going to click in front of her name and hit backspace. I'll do it again, and now it is gone. So for images like this, I will want to have a space above the name to be able to insert my new image of the staff member. So what I'll do is do a Shift Enter on my keyboard to give it a single space. And then I'll place my cursor above the name. Now I'm ready to drag and drop my new image into the article. It is in place, so I'll go ahead and click Save. And now I will refresh the web page to check my work. Seems to be double image, so I'm going to double check. There seems to be extra. So it was in the intro image. I'm going to remove that too. Save it. Refresh the web page. Okay, looks good. And that is how you replace a staff profile image for a staff page.